What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. If you have Ray-Ban Meta glasses, version 21.0 has just come out and it's a monster update. There's tons of new features and it's really well worth it. And if you just got your Ray-Ban Meta glasses like you did for the holidays, if you're watching this video now, you just got a ton of new features, so let's jump into it. First one is Find Device. You can now use the Find Device feature to remember where the Meta AI app last connected to your device. To get started, go to Device Settings, Privacy and Security, Find Device. Once device is turned on, you'll be able to see the last connected location of all your devices on a map. I actually just did a video about this recently and released it, and it works really, really well. Now, you can't beep your case or beep your glasses when you find them. You literally just see like where they are on a map, which is good. I mean, because if you lost them, you want to know exactly where they are. Did I leave them at my house? Did I leave them at work, at the club, or somewhere else? This will allow you to do that. This is a great feature. Obviously, with new iterations of the glasses, they'll probably come out with a case that beeps or glasses that will actually beep if you need to find it, or ultra wide band so you can see on your phone like where exactly to turn left and right for that location that they're at. But regardless, this is a nice step in the right direction and we can see where our glasses are now. This is a really cool feature, Hyperlapse. Capture your leisurely walk through a botanical garden or your commute across a historic bridge, hands-free with Hyperlapse for up to 30 minutes. It's insanely long. Also ideal for running or biking, Hyperlapse captures action over time and plays it back as a single, smooth, sped up, shareable clip. And all you have to do is say that phrase right there and it starts a hyperlapse. And I already did it. Here's my little example of it. It's very short, but you get the drift. It is awesome. I love this. I'm so happy they added this. This is a great feature because one of the cool things about these glasses is recording video and having a hyperlapse video to make it like this cool little everywhere you guys go for up to 30 minutes at a time. The video clip won't be 30 minutes, but the recording will be 30 minutes and then it hyperlapses it really quickly. So it'll end up being probably like a minute or something, or 2 or 3 minutes at that length if it's 3 minutes. But my video, I recorded for a few minutes and it was like 8 seconds. Slow motion, this is another cool one. All you gotta do is say the keyword right there to create a liquid smooth playback with an enhanced dramatic effect, hands-free to capture life's most fun moments for up to 1 minute. Available on Oakley Meta Vanguard, Ray-Ban Meta 2, and the Meta HSTN. So if you have the original Ray-Bans, it doesn't look like that's part of it, but I have the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2s on, so I'll show you what that looks like right now. And there you go, looks really, really cool. I love that as well, to be able to do slow motion and hyperlapse on the glasses. Something you can do on a phone, but being hands-free is pretty awesome. Next up is adjustable stabilization. Don't worry if your trail gets bumpy. With adjustable stabilization, you can control the level of stabilization applied to your videos or automate with auto select. Change your adjustable stabilization settings by going to device settings, media, video settings. So when you go into your video settings, you have your auto select here, which allows you to choose different modes of stabilization. I keep it to auto because I already think it's pretty good, but you can also set it to low, medium, or high for the smoothest stabilization. So a really, really good addition to the cameras on these Ray-Ban Meta glasses. This is really cool. Video sharing to Instagram and Facebook stories. After connecting Instagram or Facebook to your glasses, you can share a recently taken video from your glasses directly to your stories by saying the keyword right there, or videos must be 15 seconds or less to share. So again, all you're gonna say is that keyword, it'll automatically share the last video you did to whatever platform you choose, have it be Facebook or Instagram. Now just know it's not gonna be edited, there's not gonna be any music added to it either, so it's really just gonna be a video. Do you want that? I don't know, but it's still a cool feature to have if you don't need to add music or edit it at all. Now, athlete intelligence and Garmin workout creation. I cannot try these. I do not have the Oakley Meta glasses anymore, so I'm unable to try these features, but they're in there now, which is cool. So if you have the Oakley Metas, you can try these features out. This next one, is really interesting. It's soundtrack your world with Meta AI and Spotify. So you can play music based on what you see with Meta AI. Your glasses can now play music recommendations from Spotify based on what you see. From album covers to everyday scenes, say blah, 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 play a song with my view. The feature is available for Spotify and in English only. So what I'll do is I'll turn over to my Christmas tree and see if it plays Christmas music. Hey Meta, play a song to go with my view.
I'd be happy to suggest a song to match your festive view. How about Jingle Bell Rock by Bobby Helms? It's a classic, upbeat holiday tune that captures the spirit of the season.
So that's pretty cool. You can look at something and get a soundtrack built behind it. Also, music apps with EU languages. You can now use French, German, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese to control your music on Ray-Ban Meta and Oakley Meta glasses. Connect your glasses to your favorite audio apps. So that's cool. More languages are supported. Now, voice shortcuts also experience a new level of speed and simplicity with voice shortcuts on Oakley Meta Vanguard, which I no longer have. This feature transforms how athletes and active users can interact with their device, enabling rapid and effortless access to top commands without needing to say blah, blah. You can instantly trigger these commands with just a single word, or you can stay focused on your activity. Voice shortcuts can seamlessly activate when paired with a Garmin device, easily accessible. So yeah, that's kind of a cool feature to have. I don't know why it's only on that. I guess they're trying to make it more of an athlete type of thing, and these aren't really athlete glasses, but otherwise, huge update, very nice. Some of the stuff I actually already had, they kind of do that little like clump in stuff that they put in the last update with the newest update. But yeah, otherwise really nice update. Check all that stuff out right now. Thanks for watching. If you want to pick up these glasses, you will be very happy you did. They're literally my favorite tech product of 2025. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.